A series RC circuit is connected to an alternating voltage source. Consider two situations. First one, when capacitor is air filled. Second condition, when capacitor is mica filled. Okay. In a series, the CR or RC, that is the resistance on capacitor or capacitor resistance circuit is connected. The impedance Z is calculated as, that is, under root of R square plus XC square, where XC is equal to I upon omega into C, and the current I is given by I is equal to V divided by Z. Then we know here that when the capacitor is replaced with mica, the capacitance increases. With increases in capacitance, the XC value decreases, leading to an increase in the current. Consequently, the voltage across the resistance increases. While the voltage across the capacitor decreases, then we can write VA is greater than VB. Then option C is the right answer here.